Today, I'm excited to guide you through the simple process of customizing the swipe up action on your Samsung wallet. Let's dive in. Start by launching the Samsung Pay app on your device. Once opened, navigate to the settings. You'll typically spot a settings icon, often denoted by three dots or lines, situated either at the top or bottom corner of your screen within the Samsung Pay application. Next, delve into the gesture settings. This section might be labeled differently based on your device model and software version. However, you're on the right track if you find options related to gestures or swipe up actions. Now, it's time to personalize your swipe up action. Within the settings, seek out the option dedicated to customizing this gesture. Look for phrases like customize swipe up action or something similar. Once you've located it, proceed to select an action that aligns with your preferences. Here's where the fun begins. Depending on the available options, choose the action or function you wish to associate with the swipe up gesture. This could encompass accessing payment cards, loyalty cards, or other features tailored to your needs. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save or apply the changes. Voila! You've successfully customized the swipe up action on your Samsung wallet, making it even more convenient and personalized to your usage patterns.